Good morning, students and my dear friends. My name is Anuj Tomar and I am welcoming on behalf of Toppers Academy. Friends, today the topic is article. This is the second part. The first part has been already done. Now let's take a recap of the definition of article. The definition is articles are the weak form of adjective. So it is very easy to understand that we can replace adjective with the use of article. But we can only replace the adjectives which are called adjective of number. So here are some examples. There was a king. I is article. He saw an old man. And is article. And as you know that these two examples shows uncertainty. And the third one is the gold of Nepal is cheap. So here the is article and it shows certainty, because it is certain or it is clear that we are talking about the gold which belong to Nepal. So these were three examples of articles. And now let's see that one part is very important as far as the article is concerned, that is exceptions. Means अपवाद. हिंदी में आप इसको अपवाद कहते हैं. बहुत सारे रूल्स ऐसे होते हैं जो अपवाद के फॉर्म में हमें देखने को मिलते हैं, तो बहुत ही मुश्किल होती है उनको समझना. तो उनके लिए हमारे पास जो मेन रूल्स हैं वो 5 हैं, उनको देखते हैं. If the first letter of the word starts with consonant but gives the sound of vowel, we use an. मतलब ये है यहाँ पे कि अगर पहला लेटर हमारा कॉन्सोनेंट है but it is not sounding like consonant, it gives the sound of vowel. vowel का साउंड देता है, तो वहां पे and का यूज होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, an honest man, because H is silent. And here is an MA, an MLA, an NCC boy, an R, an honor, an Xmas tree, and HMT watch. So these were the examples related to rule number 1. Now let's discuss about the rule number 2. If the first letter starts with vowel and gives the sound of vowel, मीन्स वॉवेल ही है और वॉवेल का ही साउंड देता है, तो फिर वहां पे एन होगा. ये तो बिल्कुल नॉर्मल रूल है, जैसा कि हम लोगों ने अभी तक पढ़ा है, लेकिन फिर भी इसको बहुत अच्छे से देख लेते हैं एग्जाम्पल के रूप में. एन अम्ब्रेला, एन अगली वुमेन, एन इंडियन, एन एक्सरसाइज, एन ऑक्स, एन एक्स. सो दीज वर द some examples related to rule number 2. Now let's discuss the rule number 3. If the first letter starts with vowel and gives the sound of consonant, we use A. Means यहाँ पे बताया गया है कि देखने में तो vowel होगा, लेकिन वो साउंड किस तरह करेगा? कॉन्सोनेंट की तरह. जैसे देखिए पहला एग्जांपल हम देख लेते हैं. अ यूरोपियन, a university, a uniform, a utensil, a union, a unit, a unique dress, a 1 rupee note, a useful cow, a one-eyed girl. तो ये हमारा रूल नंबर 3 हो गया. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू रूल नंबर 4. Use of an before some phrases. So there are some phrases, or you can say that there are some special phrases in which we use a, or we can also use it in the collective noun, especially when there is a collection of anything. For example, a team of, a crowd of, a pair of, a gang of, an army of, a fleet of, a herd of, a flock of, an assembly of, a galaxy of. So these were the examples related to rule number 4. Let's discuss the rule number 5. When proper noun is used as common noun, means when there is a comparison between one person to another person, or one personality to any other person. For example, he is a Kalidas. So as you know that Kalidas is a very renowned poet of Sanskrit. So this person is compared to Kalidas, means this person possesses some qualities of Kalidas. Second one is you are a Tendulkar. For example, you means you, the person we are talking about, has some qualities as the Tendulkar has, or means you can say that he plays cricket very well. He is a Dinkar. Dinkar is very renowned poet of Hindi. So he possesses some qualities of Dinkar, means he is very good at writing in Hindi. You are a Milton. Milton, everyone knows that Milton is a very renowned poet of English, and so you is compared to Milton. So these were the 5 rules, and under these rules we had lot of examples we have discussed. Now this second part has been done, and hope that I have provided a very useful information related to articles. So thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe the channel by pressing bell icon, and have a great day. Thank you.